Bringing time to 24 minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Good afternoon to you. And welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. My referee free sabre kwa akopem se bebo nwere nsia na dwumedi eba wakwam na ene akoye wukuda Wednesday se hu se dwumedi no amanone fo no dia enu nti ye bebia o mana tumi ofen dikan ni awrade aye se de broda no ene no abrochi fo no so ya mom opportunity no mo so timi afre na omo ada nyame ase eti pacho so wo Ghana na wutie ene de se bebre na wagya phone lines ni mo ama ye nua no wa amanone no se be omo so betimi anya access to the phone lines because say oh Ghana na wo frɛ no mo so ho no mo frɛ a difficult pa for mo de no se betimi abam ti se bebre na wagya na agya amanone fo nso etimi afra bam bi no mo so ada nyame ase yeah enti enua no mo amo UK echechi amunyina na mo te sen mo so amo United States of America Ichiamo Canada 4 Australia 4 Asia 4 nyina mo te sen for those of you amo Middle East etuche mamunyina yenua no mo amo any of the European countries echechi amunyina nyami sheshamo most are more any of the African countries, with the exception of Ghana. Monso, more to say, Ichicha Muina, your Mamuina, Quaba, about Ofie Kwanso so. Yeah, kind of say, Monso Mubrini, yen your platform, no, yeah, dear my platform, no, Fadanya Miase 0302 216 561. Afe 0302 216 562. Nemo mesan repeat bim o Ghana memfre why nema bruchi for ntiminya kwanya no na won son frɛ na mo ndanya me ase wo fa di kan odwumedi so ne awrade aye your friend Jerry Justice ewe papa bills wa African wa kete wa zoo so wa enti so wo hoyi de na chese agba no ekwan bia so ebekọ yanimu a free sabre akopem se bebo nwe news ya the fast that kese ma kwame na Adom say ono so dey Adom live worship brain earlier and there omudi fia bontin na ba prayer palace right on the Sprinters road. Yes, so ya so mu ye to aso free sabre kopem se bebo nwe news ya na fia de kase bo papa ato aso. Hello first caller, good afternoon.
Blood jelly.
Kwame ne. Kwame keje ni se. Me say o nti ahwe yi a ye be ye show bi o program we so na ya hwe laughing competition pa ya hwe nkrofo betimi asre. Next week yeah be sadero next week
I'm not ding.
Me say me person here but who the area there be
I'm not ding.
Papa
Blood jelly the area you cry they say one is sama na banti that one nyina self film
yeah
you say vim pa.
Wow, nice one. Kwame mo akwa bampacho entie de ode de awrade ase awie.
Thanks so much. Yo, brother, said the be America no nyame adom. Say trene say uye ya na say isi uye kai hu say nyame na ama utumi, to create your wealth and all that. We really thank God for the mercies and the goodness. Asidana me dem ready.
Yeah, that's Kwame. Shabusian for na yen fancy.
Yo, we dem say ja e koma woni ja. We say matras mpo I allocated the sports no ja. E na Come body. Well, my catcher said the more now who advising the more no or the more to the or yeah now the way only too free. None sense me a speedy recovery.
Okay.
People care and all that. Okay.
All right.
God bless you.
Oh yeah, that's a fine. Nyamin count.
Okay.
It's your Denmark phone, especially Copenhagen phone, It also bets me a friend. 0302 216 561. I face 0302 216 562. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Patrick, you're from saying now because I'm free.
But you're from me, Justina, because I'm free London.
Justina, London. Any. Okay, now be about call there.
Why did you say in it?
Someone there, anyway. All right. You ain't here the other day, Radias.
But I just I just want to thank God for. I just want to thank God for He is God, and that's it. Basically, that's it. Your first song ministered so much to me. And I'm not a calm boy,
Okay.
You think you're going through so much, but whatever you're going through is probably somebody's prayer point. It ministered so much to me, and I just want to thank God for my life and the life of my family. That's it.
Amen. That's nice. That's nice. All right. Enti ansana ebeja mu akono adofo mienu ana miensa bi na chia omna fi. Yefesi.
Okay. I would say a big shout to my mom, my sisters, yeah, I've got two of them, and my brother, and everybody. All
right. Thanks so much for your call.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. London, yes. Have a good day. Which kind D? Have a good day. And I think say do baby and nyamianka say na djuma. What is no can say she was moved, touched, at the first song Obinya waye enyum no. And I had a message from Ejiwa. Ejiwa works with a trust hospital. Wosu. One on the message was sending, I say, good afternoon, brother. You have lifted my spirit this afternoon. God bless you. May God bless you too.
You're a miracle worker. Woo! You're a destiny changer.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Jerry.
Yes, boss. Mpacho, you're from saying I can say free.
Midiane Samituga, Miss Atlanta, Georgia, USA.
You, some two more Aquaba Mpacho with you.
Mejemoso. Ede kakra me kana yei enye kakra mpo bebri na mewo ede ma eda ewade ase ewade ayi bebri hwede ede ade faso tekwa na eye adansi die etino ewade asuda and nyina ye shia tabe ya ye de ma no ewade eda wasi
amen
wo ye ene de wo ye me ebia ene ye na fufu nyina na ko sene ye sa dite ye ni so amen.
You. Yeah, that's a pa, Nyamisha. All right. All right.
Amen.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, but Adom FM here.
Hey, Adom FM so now because na your friend say.
But I'm the Grace.
Mommy Grace because every.
Because I'm in London.
Any not say sister new London. Okay. Ah, yeah, that's a pass and never free. That's a pass. I'm sure. Okay, yentie also the radias here.
Emelo, but I don't know so Bambo Castodia boy or Georgia Genius. What shall I so? Gafina says the other something. I finish it in your way. I'm a Dawson. And then my bush you now more Ghana. And then my bush more. That's your son. I mean, I'll be telling you to the Casa. I am here. Amen.
Amen. Patrick Shabusian form you know and I'm in Sabina Fee. Young fancy. Why?
I tell you, Mrs. Apayes, the Veronica tree, or North Connection Accra. This is about the Daddy 20 or Mrs. North Connection 8. Connection, the Domicio Munina, or yesterday, Amen.
Amen. And your Baba, you. But try out for fecal spray starch to what they why. And my iron and you're very easy cry. And you can suddenly say, oh, material and any other crowd, the fecal goose now 2 years and I was a near sign. Come up, or the 2 day we are not just nice fragrance room. And when you super perfume cry, we okay.
Hello.
Nebonson shed that and yet dance are available shops and stores in supermarkets out on in them. Fecal spray starch was in Lucky Sharp. We another quality product if it's Samara Company Limited. Wow, man, so good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Now, your friend was saying,
Pastor, your friend is saying here, because I feel Libya.
Libya.
Pastor,
oh, they are not on some doors of power, Libya, and easy cry. Now, oh, Tripoli an hour, hey.
Pastor, more Tripoli.
Okay, you.
I will tell the internet, and I'm afraid.
Okay.
Which yeah, Ghana phone, especially Ubra Jarine. I hope I am weird program and kasa. Or to 2 bro for no.
Oh, what day?
Oh, not to continue to the near Britain, Chay. I have some brother, they did come with them, some more bro.
Amen.
We will be about you. With them, yes, why in your mother brave. Any Ghana for I will leave in which yeah, in Chiancoma Joshua, and in a year, any Papa brave, dinner and I with some roof, any sorry I call, any Ghana phone in the vampire say, Yamimbo Ghana home buying not only in free. In Toquamo, if you're saying Toquano, and you had the part. The you will come one and yet, instead, then you may have so many bamboo, and you can say, now you're so on fire to do if he assume Jamo.
Amen. Bye. Amen. Bye bye. That's a pa, Yamisha. Let's ask for your next caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Your friend Mr. Techi.
Your friend?
Mr. Techi.
Mr. Techi. Okay. Eja Techi.
My friend Leeds. UK Leeds.
Yeah.
When then person wish me father-in-law happy birthday. Aquatin Press. Who the Aquatin Press? Aqua President, they will come to love me or no?
Me patron.
My father-in-law.
Okay.
Me wishing happy birthday. Why?
You. Or that was the power. Yes, you had the pass of friend. I'm sure I don't count. Why?
Okay.
Me patron, I want to employer and Kasa. Now finding out the state of your pension contribution. Grass and why you're trustee. Yeah, that will be your lump sum benefited the amount at retirement. And you be our employer no. Tier 2 contributions no otiana regularly and Eti Pacho take his advice with na any employer no enkasa na ehu de call any de ben na ehu be hia so be verify details na wa correct any irregularities be with your trustees so na wa yen sa what they say Petra for the management they are very simple. Just go on your phone and dial *447*70 hash. Now I select option 5. Now I submit your contact details no for verification. You can also visit www.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Hello.
Hello, Bergery.
Uh-huh.
I'm a free Philippe I can't deal about
hey, fast us way.
Me pacho, me bese me chia. Me dofu bia me or so ni me jai ono Germany a friend of Justice Kosia de aka Slim Macho and bako so Madam for no se friend Mohammed omunyin ono so Italy we bomb pie senya me bomb ho ban no mu jimo mo ye enkoso
you amen me so me bomb pie say justice here or no jai obey na dwi yi why
oh
okay, bye bye. Oh man. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
You're from saying.
Patrick Premier Ebenezer Kobnan Pofo.
Eben ye mo akwa bampacho enti we.
Ye mia. Brajari, me pacho me na me free Nigeria no.
Yeah. How about call there? Last time now say fan now one ka say wina call ni drop here.
Na me see me Kasafi Ikorodu.
Ikorodu. Thank you for Ikorodu. Yes.
Na me see me Kasa. But first one dey na that time na me wo Ebute
ampa. Ebute Ikorodu.
Inti sada no e kati ye na mo kana me say inti na ka me say me kan na wan ko akwa bisa. Nkofo say you were Ikorodu na ati emi Ikorodu.
Open here ha ho do the nyame asem enko animu ai.
Ewie me da Nyankopon ase papa enam ne done ne bambo a odi abo me ni mebusia bra kwa me. Enye bete enso Nyankopon ekura ye wona taban so e de yaba bedu sam ya ye say Awurade ye da wase papa. Bra kwa me pacho Madam ye ene mebusia watema committee 7 for meka se Nyankopon ensure mo na kosumbo mpaye mayen ewo Lagos one mo enye easy nti e sempai bo me pacho ene den so me sofo bi a minim no so committee 4 your friend of Brand 7 or a powerhouse committee 4 Methodist sofo odini birthday nti me wish na happy birthday and after so Trinity Press before more tema committee 4 chim on mo side amunyina so omonso me da Nyankopon asima obibia especially church choir for nyina anti bi family nyame amunyina amunyina da wase ampofu and after so obo ade ka che ne say oye den kra kotoko
you yeah that's so if I try out for fried to a cookie no why or frying in fried to a na no any papa no yes who say your word duane and your word duane a de na esan emampum den so na so word duane be de na obedi asan nyampum den afiri mu dia na esese wo de fried to and na esa aduane no we know 100% pure vegetable cooking oil trusted by mothers from generation to generation. Yeah, Ghana's favorite fried oil, cholesterol free. It is also fortified with vitamin E, vitamin A. Yeah, vitamin A. It's pomodia so we pay the coin. Now they are one when we are no. Now emu aye dead man once and young pum papa e free mo. The whole family. Cassava delicious meals no all the time. So what the fried to a young quadia? What they say? Fried to love your food, love your family. Next caller, hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, brother Jerry.
Good afternoon.
Pacho, good afternoon. Napom.
Nyame Adom bibia boko. Me pacho e frost say na kase free.
Pacho, made the mommy charity, because of free UK, Nelson Keynes.
Yintiwe.
Yo, we are the young man for now. Oh, we are mobile or a country, a saying, so, then a bush, I am so near Italy, as I say, you run about for the dear. Me and I am two for Yacopo, or so boy a home buying, and I can wait in my night. Me call the back, and in fact, no ambassador, so I can stay away, so you're different, you see them, you're just a Cambodia. Yeah, my gun, and near Bush or so. You think, energy and qua. It's a really freya. You see, and you young can say, I'm a young couple.
Amen. Amen. I say, be Jawa Mwa church, Abusian for me, why?
Yo, me the Busia cried the woman who comes and means so better than Campo. I'm a chiba or the Vida by Dan Chroma and Helena and Chroma and the chiba, you know.
Okay.
Me then I'm here somehow. When I'm pacho, person disaster more bad, yeah. Ni didn't know or body on one fire, na say the mamma did it too, no. Yeah, na. Baba ko I know disaster or body on one idea, na say.
We know. Me yet in Tibia and Chibia irrigated sports be Drew Suntino, a Drew Super, ever can watch him to be more than anyone super the tea, a Chimuni back. Aha,
but your mood that say I'm Mona CP, Ghana Casano, Yanabasa, Yada CP, and Nasi Bidri, why? That's the dream, that's the dream, no, it's one and a whole so.
And the Lumba and Tina and I, and I don't want
any Lumba, the Muffa, a reward, Yada CP, and Nasi.
You. And then you know what CP.
You may come home. Bye
bye. What do you say? That must be brave. Tiana na Ghana for that must be P. Kojak farmer. Was it would the idea there? When Yanka will be pana Wuchi. That's what's a film ultimately. Ice cream beauty means that children will be proud at the end. Then so safe in film. Tea beauty means that the end come with hot coffee. So Charlie ultimate no or safe in film. Adom. My one Sanka Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash. For choosing for some from when one rebeja. If I showed you another day, I will be in Kojak P. Toothpaste in the mouthwash. Using it continuously for 4 weeks. Later, now I switch it to Kojak F. Ebejai, open best result are now the Kojak sensitive toothbrush. So I can fetch it. And one was solve a problem. They are available pharmacy shops out in across the country. Do do panel. Kojak from a check when can she drag lane? Yes, our phrase 0249 209 920 and 0260 870 780. FDA, I sank to Mujimuaja to say Imuyepa. Yako Afcon and they guarantee Trust Bank and Visa International. A rewarded customers on be making payment with their Visa debit or prepaid card with an unforgettable Afcon experience. A free sabre ko inamuno. What the answer don't be Jimby. It's so bet me and Yaquenya. Say once no. Bet me akwa kopiemu. Ewo Egypt. Now wash any Afcon group stage game beer of your choice. Very simple. So to me, a minimum of 20 online and POS transactions. Yeah, now qualify. Sounds now one lucky customer bet me we need the ultimate package, you know. And no there. One no area and now new kunu. Now the mobile account. Okupimo Egypt. Now Sekobase. Players no and I'm turning no more APA baby pimo pitch no so. And Kolana come where Scottium. Now the Obana can be. Banning rent free da. So between June and July, make sure you use your GT Bank Visa card to do at least one transaction daily for a week in order to earn a pass to an AFCON viewing party. Very simple. Transacting quadia quabias no ubewi. Party I say, and you obey new ubewi. Terms and conditions apply. For further inquiries, phrase 050-144-9490. Afi 050-140-9480. na ero ma me why na I wish him happy birthday. The mo hwampa. Hey, George Adunya. We are champion what? Oh, we are champion. What's where we are? Hey, George Adu Junior. Or transits are now or wrong commentaries are Maza. Share George Adu Masabwa baby or wrong commenting now. I say BBC phone run on my bagana now. As not me kotoko manchi. Would you comment now because Ebia Asna near even board no England what baby near there as me kotokone aso na George ne obe wrong comment na mo afili pass awa na BBC for na kasa se na anu de okọ na okosra om ne ade a omuyom so George you good why don't you stay here and work with us as you know I got to serve Ghana. Hey George, why you now? It's happy birthday, Uncle Ma Patricia and a Letitia. Mo Nima, more fashion designers. Wayfair Elijah or Ghana Airport. Kutuka. Also wish him happy birthday. Nyame onsham na onyam kese. Na mami otie Adom FM papa na onfa Ofie Kwanso ni agro. Serious. Your friend Adelaide is Siam, aka Auntie, Anase Auntie. Now award tema Community 21 Anes. Mommy, we are wishing you well. And Chebi and Nyame Adoma on the 30th of June, bidding birthday. The best celebrate you big time pa. And she also come here na Lamley of Lamb's Kitchen. Lamb's Kitchen. When Sano boss na no ada na pemem yeshia na oh some chops bi ni ade na fi o mama mini auditorium why the dead okay me no ba be bon komo kakra na ye de aka na to aso no fine gentleman bi o menchen wa ha your friend no Kwesi Kwachi. Aya o tight etese me bonu nyom na me bon din Kwesi Kwachi. Onyumbu o kama pa o feature akweku jesi o sa nyom so ti sa anyway na umuzampa de making eye sa pepepepepepenete. O in fact oye champion man na ansa kra na me run ne nyom no kra e de amano no mama na kwaba Kwesi akwaba ya jaminia na bibia aboko de
so Adom ye wako na onzo
me so Adom ya de krukuran kakra na Kwesi kache e ba ne sen na woni yi kwaku jesi ko hia ya mo yes anum ya me ba be run ama wi e asema me nua obusa sempa o me ne kwaku de ya nante ya che sa that ani okumase picture of Pentecost bombata ya da sorry dem wa na ja de pia ha minia what da sorry dem wa da sorry dem ku desi that is an old time friend ya na dia cha papa wow that is Kwesi Kwachi na Kwaku desi oh my combination no e dia no na we kan eni e wo atiefo bu die no mu ye pa
I know so
Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Enti kwasi anwi wana troye
ya Pentecost ya ndada bia hye ba bi na makoye pie
na wa keka bomu ani adada na ofre kwaku se onye na cheze
that's so yanka bia mu
na so far no se na eko
nyame adom mpa bunti ekopa eko
na ya fa ne se those days said okay na mwada so de mu amototo ne mu ani ade na kwaku jesi de odi saa na odi fa mu ani ade na enu ti na so hwe ya na said ya minue na me na watimi ade na mismini na mo chibia na asese na
ene sa na me ye to no na me sa adwuma me ankasa me ye generator adwuma me repair generators no
repair generators
me ye service ye bibia eno na me gusu ameye
oh okay
bana me sa to nyum so fam e ja Pentecost na me de nam ti afa na time na so se nyame se fa no ma bonten e ja me so me dia ba
se wo asori dia che se wo run nyum ya ni ya na so eze de kwan mu atene ti se wo so timi de wo de ba
that's all
okay enti se si ano we no ya power wa bonten a amafo yebetimi anya wo de ato ana sesen
osisi aye bo by nyanton ye ton e bia ye be launch na bia next month 14
chese mun launch ye kra
ye launch kra
ye de mabomu
ye hubom amafo tie tinyame adoma bia 14 July ye bay
de toso do 9 and I be launching
no kaswa Pentecost downtown district
oh okay
ho friend Mount Olive
downtown district
Mount Olive
ho na be launching
no
wow enti na chese a full album dan bibia kama ya say a pound to ma obi sa so mbia je say o kwaje no copy
pa onya de show we mi so bon so ni hira die chesa because no was me de men
kama pa kama pa ne ade we say we face the meeting and am anyway mu ye say beat wo mu
correct one
mo toto no yie so ne ade a je say
say ya nanti a che ne awura mu so a che wonu ja Pentecost ya betu akọ
wombo oh nice now na me tisa wa ya nwum bia ma agya mo ze de eno ho asem te sen
asa me tena se na me si da bi de bia se edu madeze ya ebe ka one month e bobo hodero sa abo mo nwum sa me tena se da bi me ma se si ache den so me yankomre me ya ana me amhwe no se on se pem ye wo nwum bi wo dada bi hye ho ana makoto to a ana me de ba bonten
mon frère papa Bills mamina o me sa no be hwe enyon mamwa na de oya ma fathers it's not just say none him say week we so permanent week ye gina mu de ni o
the free day na ha say sa
free monday ni na ya sha sa
me free ye ko me free ma ye tako
ti me so sa me free am ko to aso sa na de a che say eti na che say we no de e say permanent phone na akwa anyu no so no mo fan serious
papa
okay kan wa sam kakra chen et saying ba ne saying sa na uputu sa de ye be boy so together
oh say na me kan say me tena ase no na me hu say oh me ma ye nwum ye ni nwum a say du fathers day ye bo eti me tena ase am so ne me pemefo ye nwum de me ntoto a na mfa mema ye sipine sita
tina to say pemem ye slogan ye kan ya de na hyehye mu a
papa ye sipi de
ni na o oh my goodness mamiro ne he said there so ti
boy yeah mama cho boy yeah bema papa ene ne ya sipi na sita minu yan kwai
this one there the Church of Pentecost members especially a member no you can relate to this one
Yeah, Mary, ma oh, yeah, Shanam Yanamu, yeah, Mary, mo. I want to know, yeah, free pardon, yeah, Mary, ma, get in the Kisto, yeah, Mary, ma, Yetranam Yanamu, Oberima, Abotini Namu, Yadiano Nam Shabema, Cristo, Young Oh, Yetini Cristo, Yako Yamarima, Yetranam Yanamu, Oberima, Abotini Namu, Yadiano Nam Shabema, Cristo. Oh, Yetabarima no Quafway, and no Benya, Hena no Benya. Hena no benya, oh bema no pathway, hena no benya, hena no benya, oh hena no benya, oh bema no pathway, hena no benya, ah hena no benya, oh odo, wa botre, wa yemuye, ene nyamisuru, odo, wa botre, wa yemuye. Ene na misio yanko osipi osita senti hena no benya hena no benya hena no benya osipio osita enti hena no benya hena no benya hena no benya osipio osita enti hena no benya hena no benya hena no benya ayana enti hena no benya hena no benya
hena na ma yenso ya de ni o
hena no kafwe hena no benya hena no benya hena no benya aba yanko oyu mema mo ho yenso nya de wate mema yenso nya de ya de behi Father's Day with Sunday I saw the baby Yetini Cristo, Yaya Mary Mo, Yetranam Yanamu, oh Berima, Abotini Namu, Yadia no Nam Shabema Cristo. Hena no benya, 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 hena no benya. Oberima no kafwe, hena no benya.
Where's why Nina? Why are they pa? We sumu ye. We sumu ye. Emu da waka pa. We say no senka uhu ntem kra nanka wo hweda ye we no nko ananka wo de mama all the various districts in and say wo de end obebredo do de nka area no how de amom na area for no saka no so de ama district na district for no so e de ama local for no say how to say nanka all assemblies obia nya bia o me na mo bomu say ya bomu say ya na ya Oh man, I love this one. It's way tight on here. Yeah, Merima. Yeah, Merima. Na, I say I na say no. Say the name Meriko. Na mafunya epena. Mama bi akọ internet nso ne ade se de be ya. Nkrofo nso pebia. Omo so betimi anya bi nti we say nka ye ka ne say ene Pentecost for wo mo ewo aburuchiri nkronkura wodo so nyina ne ade nyina anka omo ye ya papa na ka omo setimi aka omo de ne ade nti na ya na maye no ho hye no na fi achi no me hu na ba bi omo betimi anya bi no yeso abomu a kire omo na omo apechira kwan bi na bi yeso etimi akoyi eti kwasi we de ye ntwa ne taw na ye fancy na fi ye mfa de aka entoa so ye beda wase pa se obesra na ansa na obekọ no owo asembia opese wo de to Ghana fo animu a akonya ho na yese nam edua so na homa so ahunu so ti me de ya na manfo ba me time mom sa akonya no na obi a wayi bia ma no watimi aka kire wan ka hwe kura me da se de watimi aka kire ti akonya nda
enokre me da wase edika enkom awurade nyankopon de waye ma me de do so do ya to so me da ma papa base ene jari na mi hira mo
amen
enkom akwa kujesi so ya ene me yedo papa badokas na mi hira wo ene mi am papa Dr. Nya Holy Trinity. Ono so dana se pa. Eno kata me body na ha me phone so nti bi a boy ma me ya numi biara. ana me pastor Frank Ejewak.
Okay.
I know so me na sepa ada ma sorry me look at Anta na me show nya na me so biara say eye 14 for me lunch there Ghana for nyina sa new way obi amata machi eye 14 July no obi amata machi we dey offer kaswa also call new market boy gas kwa no Ghana commercial bank ho do opposite na kwa bi da ho na wana na so no una Ghana commercial bank ho na aha so dey ho da etimi chewi bia me do bia so ase
okay
we ase
okay because yen so e da se pa nya men kan
one kan so
ai we see kwache and I attend and can yeah Mary Mo hey yeah Mary Mo na me fasa kwanya we so na me dia kaka mu nyina se na nwumre memra ye na ye hia e wo the Church of Pentecost Tema Community 1 munim se pemem week ni agina mu denden anwumre eye dewa wa man we de agya ho baba nam gina chiro me ana me check roll call me I am expecting everyone. We are Beman Quadia, you need to come. A man, most woman, no matter. Then you come away. Memfa akwenya iso na memfa enwish one night gentleman memfa wish on happy birthday your friend on Mr. Robert Jimajo. In fact, he is such a nice person. Say gentleman na ubune home, very calm, quiet, but obey deliver. What I say? And I like such people. Yeah. But I mean, cool and collected. I respect him so much. Mr. Robert Jimajo, happy birthday to you. Nyame unshirao na onyo kese onto unkwandem. Wakuma swadi nyina onye mao. Ono wife. Me feeling mo pa. My wife who nyum bruta. What? Minim de ehye ni minim. My wife to nyum. Almost like health workers. Nyame ehira mo pa. So once again, happy birthday going out to you, Mr. Robert Jimajo of the Church of Pentecost Tema Community 1 English Assembly. And now where oh, Papa, I hospital here community 10 the talent catch you remember Rafa, yeah. Hona oboyjuma. Yamisha, no your case. Afe boko na ene asem aye di tu yon fono yemfe no so ento awso and asem aye di tu yon fo ewo Ofie Kwanso dwumadi eso no asem no wo brofo kasem o say never be afraid or embarrassed to struggle. There is absolutely no shame in working hard to get to where you want to be. TBMO, never be afraid or embarrassed to struggle. There is absolutely no shame in working hard to get to where you want to be. Osimensro memohu menya wo say we die eyenimguase bi say obetimi say ebia what bia bia enhyedan ko ye ase akire so apa so ama na obre ewo obrai a wo bui emu wo se ohaw bia ni ho na aniwo sem bia ni ho se wo yire wo ho ebo ho moden se wo pese wo duru ba bia wo duru ewo abrabo mu dabi wo fere hwan aniwo be ne wo mu dabi. You need to work hard. You need to struggle. Medical catch all that. And chebi am catch us life itself no a struggle. Enya de ya hongon so enya betesa. Ah ya na chese fala na wo ko anim. You need to struggle. Baby obi adu I na obi ahwe na ye ka na ho asem papa na ye bon sem ma no no. Unnim struggles bi of farm those days and son or di dru baby e wadu no. Esikafo ne adefo bebre omu di mu yie no. And pempi no mu gina no mo ka mo abakwasem akire wa etoda ugina say eh say papa yi wo bre say mama di ofam no but sabre no they were not ashamed of the life they were living. Madam for man be okache mo Jerry, when I was getting married na me da rented kiosk emu kiosk no kra nya ne dia o wa rent enum na no da but enum e no de e ware. And they was see a die bebre in Krakromua, enemy I bebre. Sad time no, he wasn't ashamed of situation and no woman because he knew that he was struggling hard to work hard towards baby or person do a brabumu ne or sa level. It me pacho and found it what you are passing through right now, what you are going through right now in your hustle. Who go so struggling? Don't be embarrassed, don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed at all. Keep on keeping on. Work harder. Cause struggles are never jumaden a tide your energy. Na nkrimdie ebe yodia. Nyame show we se uti and then so asemwa yedi 2 year for e wo dwumadi eso. Yen first so aseda my proud sponsors. MTN and they free after one egusu gina na so pa. Eye boko. Oba benya 50 MB worth of free data. Now they are browser free friends say or favorite site how do no enyina. Very simple. What they free. Or loud ones nina. Wado for no free on keke. Kasa you only pay for the first minute of your call on MTN free after one. The rest of your call is free. And to top it no, now you say amount free 50 MB data. Now their browser favorite site in at their tattoo. It you phone to see MTN Quadia nebo *315# and sign up now. We there for you everywhere you go. Roma insecticide spray. For kumuntontomo ntumwane kaka penom ne ade ade no nya. Tuo ase na enya ofa hudi enwa auto. E wo fie ho. What I say? Effectively, it kills mosquitoes and all other crawling and then flying insects instantly on contact. Not just a kumu ne kwa no so smokeless into so this you are asa so asenso ebisa na ade no bo say yeah na ekum tontom say ya ne sentino emfa chest infections ne cold ne kata bia meja wo so. Roma insecticide spray ne coil tontom master are available at shops and stores and supermarkets. Another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Here kwa yenimu eno Kojak charcoal toothpaste. Me patcho we no said they can't it no about 4 years stop one time penny sitwi no. The same process na ye de brody train ye boso sa na yam bidie. Charcoal ye di so je ye. Now they twitwi ne sesa wo se nemu atum. Wo di so ogu nemu huru nemu ya. Na ne sen spark I fita kama pa. Satam ne say bajimi bre say no munim nyansa kura chen and they are fina scientists na timi anhwemu hu say na charcoal ye adi so jai properties bi omu a eboa onipa wanum pa it when we use now the truth no na mo wanu mu te pampan bɔ no bi wanu bia na ɛkɔ na potato gam no ne osene nyinaa ama hoɔden abam na sɛ stains ɛwɔ ɔse so a clear ni na ɔse sparkle ayɛ fitaa fɛfɛɛfɛ kama paa to obi ampe bi akyi akwan na wo ne abusuani na mo fa ntwimu se mfa mo se ho ban na bibia nso enko yi ema ɛyɛ available wɔ pharmacy shops awodo ne nyina mu across the country dodo pa no hwehwɛ Kojak Farm akyi akwan ɛwɔ Kanshi Drug Lane yes afre 0249 209 920 and afre 0244 674 400 yɛda mo asesɛ mo so yɛ asene ɛma yɛtimi ti asɛm a yɛde etu yɛ hofo ɛnɛ awie